Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nubia Z60S Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the settings. Here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Update, and then tap on System Update. And basically right now your device will try to check for the new updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. This is the one where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will have to download it and restart the device. And the second scenario is where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, it will show you relevant information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.